All right, let's get right into it. We're constantly hearing about how brilliant these new AI models are, right? Things like GPT-4 are just mind-blowing, but they have this huge fundamental blind spot, memory. So today, we're going to talk about Pinecone, the technology that's basically giving AI the one thing it's been desperately missing. It's such a weird paradox when you think about it. You can have this incredible conversation with a super intelligent AI, but if you come back an hour later and ask about it, nothing. It has absolutely no memory of you, your data, or what you just talked about. And that's not just some minor bug. It's honestly the single biggest thing holding us back from creating AI that's truly personally helpful. So, here's the deal. These big models, these LLMs, they're trained on a massive but kind of general snapshot of the internet. They know about, the Roman Empire, they know how to code, they know about pop culture. But they have no clue about your company's latest sales data or your private team documents or what happened in the news 10 minutes ago. Without that specific long-term memory, their usefulness just hits a wall. And this is exactly where Pinecone comes into the picture. Now, this isn't your grandpa's database with rows and columns. No. Think of it more like a custom-built memory bank for an AI brain. It's designed from the ground up to store and, more importantly, retrieve information based on what it actually means. Okay, so the secret sauce here is something called vector embeddings. It's a really cool idea. Basically, an AI model takes any piece of data, text, an image, whatever, and turns it into a long list of numbers that represents its meaning, its vibe. So when you search in Pinecone, it's not looking for keywords that match, it's looking for concepts that are closely related. It's the difference between searching for dog and finding things that mean canine companion. So how does this actually work, How does it take all your random data and transform it into these searchable concepts that an AI can just instantly get? Well, the process is actually pretty slick, and it all boils down to a really clear, simple workflow. This breaks it down perfectly. First, you take your data, let's say it's a bunch of PDFs, and you use an AI model to turn each one into a vector. Step 2, you store all those vectors in Pinecone. Then, when you ask a question, your question also gets turned into a vector using that same AI model. And finally, here's the magic. Pinecone zips through and finds the vectors from your documents that are mathematically the closest to your question's vector. In other words, it's finding the most relevant ideas, not just words. Okay, so how on earth can Pinecone search through maybe billions of these things so fast? Well, that's where some clever computer science comes in. It uses something called approximate nearest neighbor algorithms, or ANN for short. You don't need to get lost in the math, but just know this. ANN is what lets Pinecone find the most relevant results in milliseconds. It's a total game changer for doing this stuff at a massive scale. So once you have this incredible memory system in place, you can start building some truly mind-bending AI applications. I mean, think about a customer service bot that doesn't just give you canned answers, but has read every product manual and your entire support history and gives you a solution tailored just for you. That's the kind of leap forward we're talking about. And the killer app for this right now, the one everyone is talking about, is a technique called Retrieval-Augmented Generation. You'll hear it called RAG. This is the absolute key to making chatbots that give you answers grounded in facts from your own data, instead of just, making things up. Here's the RAG playbook, nice and simple. First, you ask a question. Instantly, Pinecone dives into your private knowledge base and pulls out the most relevant pieces of information. Then, and this is the most important part, it hands both your original question and that retrieved info to an LLM, like GPT-4, and says, hey, answer this question, but only use the facts I just gave you. The result? You get a super accurate, trustworthy answer you can actually trace back to a source. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds incredibly powerful, but probably super complicated to set up, right? Well, one of the most amazing things about Pinecone is just how easy they've made it for developers to get going. You really don't need to be a machine learning genius. Just look at this. With just a handful of lines of Python, a developer can install the tool, connect to the service, create what's called an index, and then start adding or upserting their data as vectors. And then you just query it to get results. And this isn't some toy example. This is literally the core code for building a powerful semantic search engine. It's just that simple. So, Pinecone wasn't the very first vector database out there, but it has shot up to become a leader in the space, especially for companies that are building serious, real-world AI applications. So what really sets it apart from all the other options? At the end of the day, the biggest difference really comes down to this. Pinecone is a fully managed service. If you use a self-hosted open source tool, your team is on the hook for all the complicated setup, the maintenance, the scaling, all of it. With Pinecone, they handle all of that behind the scenes. It means your developers can just focus on building a great app, not on being database administrators. That's huge for big projects. And that fully managed thing is just the start. We're talking about performance measured in milliseconds, the ability to do hybrid search, which combines the best of keyword and semantic search, real-time updates, and of course, plug-and-play integrations with all the big AI tools like LangChain and OpenAI. It's really the whole package ready for production. So, to wrap this all up, it really comes back to this one simple idea. An AI without memory, it's just a clever parrot repeating things it's heard. But an AI with a powerful, fast, and scalable memory, well, that kind of AI can actually understand context, it can reason, and it can provide real value. In this new world we're all stepping into, that's not just a nice feature to have, it's everything. Because in the age of AI, memory truly is power.